Joe, sit with your junior. Come with the truth. Otherwise, he will be landing in a very difficult situation. He want to hide something.
May I put a question to my
Whatever it is.
তুমি ওকেলকে দেখেছো? ইয়েস অর নো? পরিষ্কার জয়ের সঙ্গে মিথ্যা কথা বলো না। তুমি ওকেলকে দেখেছো? ইয়েস অর নো তে উত্তর দাও। He has not seen the client.
That is the first day I asked
Has
the
it been
person.
signed in your presence?
Not have that much of responsibility, at least towards them. Then who briefed him? Ask him who briefed him. Who is the person? Disclose his.
No, clerk has given him.
Who is the clerk?
He was the clerk of Mr. Shouram Mitra.
He is very clever. He affirmed, he identified the deponent. He identified the deponent is not the clerk has identified.
বলো না, জজ সাহেবের সত্যি কথা বলতে কি আছে? আলটিমেটলি সেভ করবেন তো জজ সাহেব, কেউ তো সেভ করবে না। তোমার অন্যায় বলছি, অন্যায়।
Where is your client?
The person is suffering from nervous breakdown and nerve problem. 83-year-old.
Maybe.
He cannot even walk.
How he came in High Court to affirm?
That 1 year before. Affirmation in 23 April. 1 year before. 2001 retired. Still he is surviving by grace of God. 23 years, but he is surviving.
I have a doubt. He ever affirmed this because he is a specific instruction with this rule and with the DI that he doesn't want to proceed with the matter.
Yes, he had informed. Well, allure to whose benefit? Kindly, Malad, at least one thing, Malad, has hit me.
I don't know.
Allure to whose benefit? He was even did not say that automatically, Malad, the interest order is being passed by this court without any scrutiny. All matters. Interest is there, retirement is delayed payment of pension. So 14 years after
Where is the Aadhaar card of this person? I asked him to come with the Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card is Aadhaar card is not also sent. Aadhaar
There is
card
something in it. He never saw. I asked him to bring the person with Aadhaar card, his original Aadhaar card. And he told me that it is not through any third party. The client directly came to him. This was his version.
Yes,
he must
that is
have
also
some.
when I inquired. He also said so. That time
then the client will not be safe. Go to your client's house, otherwise you will be in big trouble. Don't indulge this kind of things. Don't indulge. As a senior advocate, if you can,
I am not indulging anyone.
Irresponsibility, but it might clear my doubt. First doubt, this person never affirmed this writ petition. Second doubt, he may not be knowing what is going on because he may have given a specific instruction not to proceed. That is the letter and the report of the state.
So when the letter was given, that was July 23. এক বছর আগে চিঠি দিয়েছে। July 23 letter given. April 23 matter filed. And he is admitting that I have filed a writ petition.
How can it be?
I have filed a writ petition that he admitted. But I do not want to proceed. Though he knows that he will be getting 14 years interest on gratuity. Delayed payment of pension.
If you compare this signature,
I have not the original signature with me.
If you compare this signature in the letter and the copy of the
Kumar court
and the affirmation copy,
may I look for once?
Ask your junior to come with the truth, then I will. If he wants to hide, protect, but the protected. It is not that the clerk has identified, he himself has identified.
বিজয় স্কেটা একটু করে ব্যাটানো চড়ানো আছে।
Mr. Bhattacharya, sit with your junior. Come with the truth. Otherwise, he will be landing in a very difficult situation.
He should not be held as faulty. But all the time
Mr. Bhattacharya, you know me very well. I want always you come clean, come with honesty. But if you want to hide something,
may I put a question to
whatever it is.
তুমি মক্কেলকে দেখেছো? ইয়েস অর নো? পরিষ্কার জয়ের সঙ্গে মিথ্যা কথা বলো না। কথা বলে তো ঝামেলা নেই। তুমি মক্কেলকে দেখেছো? ইয়েস অর নো তে উত্তর দাও। He has not seen the client.
That is the first day I asked
Has
the
it been
first.
signed in your presence?
আমাকে
No. Answer is no. Explanation just চাইছেন।
Who instructed? Ask him.
কার ইনস্ট্রাকশন আছে তুমি মামলাটা ফাইল করেছো?
আমাকে ক্লার্ক হচ্ছে মামলাটা দেয় সৌরমিত্র যে ক্লার্ক
Now, clerk is giving him the case. That is usually these are organized.
That is what.
That is organized.
No, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Agencies are
Mr. Bhattacharya was even a writ petition was filed on behalf of a dead person. It so happened the learned advocate for the state says, I personally know this person is not alive. Things are happening. And they do not have that much of responsibility, at least towards them. Then who briefed him? Ask him who briefed him. Who is the person? Disclose his.
No, clerk has given him.
Who is the clerk?
He was the clerk of Mr. Shouram Mitra.
Mr. Mitro?
কি নাম? Mr. তুষার দিয়েছে।
No. He is very clever. He affirmed, he identified the deponent. He identified the deponent, Mr. Mitro. It is not the clerk has identified.
he cannot unless my lord I give him any
No, Mr. Mitra is not at all in fault. He has a
Not be
personal matter.
my lord
Don't take the name of Mr. Mitra.
No, his clerk, his registered clerk.
my clerk
No. I have noticed it. That is why I
that
asked
I have to inquire.
that I have asked him to come. Ask him immediately to come. Where from he got it? First day I asked you that
তুষার বলেছে সই করে দাও এখানে, সই করে দিয়েছে।
first day I asked you that whether you have ever seen your client. You said yes, he came to me. He came to a farm. Then I asked you, usually registered clerk identifies the deponent. You yourself identified the deponent. Then I asked you, have you gone to the commissioner personally? You say yes.
বলেছি yes. বলো না, জজ সাহেবের সত্যি কথা বলতে কি আছে? আলটিমেটলি সেভ করবেন তো জজ সাহেব, কেউ তো সেভ করবে না তোমার। অন্যায় বলছো, অন্যায় করেছো।
At least in these type of matters, you do a lot of matter. First of all, I cannot place my reliance on you, and it will ultimately affect the bunch of matters. I will not allow any matters to be listed. Let it go to other judges. I will not allow. If I cannot place that minimum trust on the lawyers, how can I work? Today you have brought Mr. Bhattacharya, your senior member of the bar. He has understood everything, but he has come to save you only. Then again, you wanted to try to justify.